In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates to save time with this easy tutorial. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open up your web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is the starting point for getting into all of your creative projects. Once you're on the site, go ahead and locate the login button. It's intuitive and should be top right on your screen, waiting for you to click it. Now, if you already have an account, you can sign in using either your email or your Google account. There's a really nice feature here which allows you to sign in quickly without having to remember yet another password, so if you can use Google, it does make things just a tad easier. After entering your credentials, it doesn't hurt to double check them to avoid any sign-in errors. Click on Continue, and you'll be in the dashboard area of Miro. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on your board of choice. This will take you to your creative workspace where all the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a small plus button. Clicking it is your gateway to a world of templates. Once you've clicked, you'll be presented with a search bar to look through Miro's extensive library of templates. This search functionality is super helpful, especially if you're working on something specific and need a particular type of template. When the template menu pops up, you have two options. You can either search directly for a template name if you know exactly what you're looking for, or you can explore the All Templates section for inspiration. Browse through the categories and you'll find a myriad of templates that can save you a huge amount of time in setting up your board. When you've found one that suits your needs, select it by clicking on Use Template. This little action will incorporate the template directly into your board. Now that the template is on your board, you can start adjusting and customizing the fields according to your specific requirements. This flexibility is what makes Miro incredibly powerful. Whether you're working on a team project, planning an event, or laying out a new strategy, making those tweaks to fit your personal or professional needs naturally flows within this environment. By customizing your board, you're not just saving time, but also ensuring that your creative process is both efficient and tailored precisely to your objectives. As you become more accustomed to using templates, you'll find they can significantly streamline your workflow. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward way to leverage Miro templates to enhance your productivity and creativity. Thank you for watching and happy creating.